This ad is brought to you by Read More Comics, where you can find comic books, graphic novels, and more.
I'm on the mission, the powers and call me away. I'm on the time to carry the colors again. My motivation and no past one to defend. Doing the honor of coming back home again. No explanation will matter after we begin. I'm not the dark destroyer that's buried within. My true vocation and not my unfortunate friend. You will discover all while you're unable to win. I'll have you know that I've become indestructible.
Congratulations, guy, you're our new pal, and everybody here agrees. You can't find this bunch of nearly honest mutts. Welcome to the Diamond Dogs, an eternity of thugs that you can trust. That we're living by our teeth and claws. Got a grub to share, put up an easy chair. Welcome to the Diamond Dogs. Now you gotta scratch and dig. I was smelling like a pig, but we got a sweetie gig. Care for one another, you never miss your mother. Wonderful, digging up some gold here in the cold. Riches beneath all the rocks. And if you like the dirt, you're gonna love this work. Welcome to the Diamond Dog. Welcome to the Diamond Dogs. Together we're the perfect team. Excavation in the genes. There to share our little dreams. There's no time for leisure, digging up the treasure. As an honorary member of the gang, there's no one alive ever leaves. You gotta snatch and sneak or else your future's bleak. I got a lifetime contract, but you're bound to keep. You wanna save your skin, you better fit right in. Whoa, whoa, welcome to the whoa, whoa, welcome to the whoa, whoa, welcome to the Diamond Dogs! Farewell, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check us out on Patreon, Facebook, DeviantArt, Twitter, fanfiction.net, Reddit, and Casting Call Club.